Today I'm going to tell you how you can dye your hair naturally. Did you know that coffee can be used to dye your hair? It's not known to many, but coffee can be used to color your hair. Besides giving you your much needed boost in the morning, dyeing one's hair is more common than you might think. According to statistics, more than 90% of people in the world have done this at least once in their lives. In the US alone, for the past few years, more than 50 million people have been buying hair coloring products annually. And coffee is able to make your light hair darker. If you naturally have dark colored hair, coffee can give it a darker hue and a healthy glow. It's a better alternative to expensive and heavily formulated hair dyes. Before starting, it is important to know that using a natural hair dye for your hair does not last too long. The color may fade sooner and return to your hair's normal color faster than chemical products. However, it does give you the following advantages. Coffee is affordable and easily accessible. It has no artificial chemicals which can cause damage to your hair and scalp. The nutrients in coffee can strengthen your hair from roots to tip. Coffee smells great when applying it to your hair. There are no fumes or chemical products that can irritate your nose and scalp. If you don't like the outcome, you can easily shampoo it out and get back to your natural hair color in just a few days. You can't do that with chemical treatments and dyes. Most importantly, coffee does not compromise your health. A research from the National Cancer Institute reveals that more than 5,000 different chemicals are used to create artificial hair dyes. Among these are substances that can increase your risks of certain cancers. Coffee cannot cause any long-term damage to your hair and health. Instead, this coffee mixture can give your hair a pleasant shade and a shiny glow. The all-natural coffee dye can in fact encourage your follicles to grow hair more rapidly. This is according to a 2007 research published in the International Journal of Dermatology. Here's how it's done. Prepare a strong brew of organic coffee. Espresso is highly recommended. Do not use non-organic coffee since this may have some chemical ingredients. Allow the coffee to cool down to room temperature. Mix 2 tablespoons of organic coffee grounds with 2 cups of all-natural leave-on hair conditioner. Add 1 cup of brewed organic coffee and mix thoroughly. Using your hands and a comb, apply the mixture on your hair from roots to tips. Let it sit for about an hour. Depending on the length of your hair, you can reduce the amount of ingredients proportionally. This mixture will give your hair a very dark brown color, similar to chocolate. Alternatively, you can just do a coffee rinse. It's a simpler process, but it can take a couple of days to get your desired hair color. Prepare a concentrated brew of espresso coffee. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Wash your hair with shampoo. Rinse and pat with a towel to remove excess water. Pour coffee over your head, making sure that all strands of your hair are covered. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse the coffee off using a diluted solution of apple cider vinegar. Prepare the mixture by combining equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water. Rinse the vinegar away with fresh water afterwards. It will add a shade of dark brown to your hair. If you want to achieve a darker and richer color, repeat the process once a day for a few days. This will allow your hair strands to absorb more pigmentation from the coffee. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to watch more great videos from Trendy Natural Remedies.